Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to use the track changes feature in Microsoft Word. I think this feature is incredibly useful for collaborative editing, allowing you to see changes made by others and keep track of revisions. Let's dive in and see how it works. Okay, there is a simple method. Just open your document, and there is a one document is opened already in your screen, and go to the review tab on the button, and so just click on the track changes. When click on it, track changes, then track changes. This is opened. When you click on it, then if any document that you have received from any other person, all the editing and all the different changes that is present in this document will be appear through highlighted option. Okay, just I want to share you some unique thing, that is when you send your research papers, your research articles or documents to review and to change it to your from your supervisor and from your high authorities, then what they are doing, yeah, what they do, this document, and you can easily change according to their concerns and according to their review comments. You can you can see that here is an option is the new comment. I just want to say that this line is, if this line is not proper, for example this line is not proper, just I will drag and select this line and click on the new comment, where then I will write on it, this is not good line, this is not good line. Okay, change it. So when I will click on it, then after receiving this document from your supervisors and from your high authority and from your any concerns persons, then when you will open this document, you can see this review point, and what is the written on the comment form. You can easily change that line, you can easily modify that line, and what's the suggestions come from your high authorities and supervisors. Okay, so first for just like I want to change from another option, just like I am clicking on it, and there is an option is not good. Okay, if you are reviewing, if you are commenting on it, then but I don't want to write on it. If you are replace it, but there is also stay this option on it, but I want to remove it, so just click on accept and move next. And so there is an option is, you can see this is the reject. Just when I click on the reject option, that line that is present in the comment form is also rejected and deleted on this area. So you can use this procedure and adding a comment and reject the lines also. This is very helpful on that time when you are present at the one corner of the country, and your supervisor and your high authority and concerns is present on the next country, so you cannot easily communicate, and you cannot guide it by through phone every time. And so when you revise your document and research papers from your high authority and supervisors, you can just send on it, and just he will comments on your mistakes, and you can easily review it, revise on it, and modify that paper. I think so. This will be very helpful for you. You can also use this methodology from your concerns, that is to highlight the options, to comment on these options, and this will be very helpful for you. I think this video is very authentic and helpful for those persons who are using the Microsoft Word. And if you like this video, so please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for watching, and stay blessed.